Hi guys, welcome to another wig tutorial. Today we are going to be making a wig with a guide knife. We are going to be drawing. We are going to be drawing our guide knives to make this wig. And I use chalk and measuring tape for this. And for the measurement, I measure 1 inches each. If you look at the video, we have like 9. I draw it from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So that is the inches I use for my measurement. If you don't have a chalk, you can use a white marker to also draw your guidelines. If you want your wig to look very, very professional, in fact, if you want to imitate a machine made wig, like if you want your wig to look like it was made with a machine and look very, very professional, this I will recommend you use this method. And also it makes life easier for you while making wigs. Once you are able to draw your guidelines, all you need to do is to follow the guidelines while making your wig. Just put your wig on the guidelines, pin it with a pin. Like I used to say in all my wig tutorials, you cannot underestimate the importance of using a bobby pin or any other pin while making your wig. If you want to make life very easy for you, it's very important to use a pin. Just pin it and you start sewing. So this is very, very good. In fact, this is the method most professional wig maker, this is the method they use in making their wig, especially if they don't have machine and they need to sew with their hands. I made this wig like I think 5 months ago. Yeah, I made it for someone like 5 months ago. So I didn't have time to edit, so I just decided to upload it now. This person saw me making a wig on my YouTube channel, and someone I know anyways, and she walked up to me that, oh, I didn't know you could make a wig. Can you please make me can you please make a wig for me? I was like, why not? I can. You see, ways, should I say ways? How YouTube is changing lives, you see. That is one advantage YouTube has given me. So I'm grateful for that. In fact, I think I've had like 2 or 3 people walk up to me like, oh, I don't know, you make wigs, and can you please do this? I saw it on your YouTube channel. So I'm excited for that. Guys, if you are here for the first time, I don't want to bore you with a lot of stories. If you're here for the first time, my name is Olamide Ajayi. You are welcome to this channel. You can check out my other content. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll answer your question. And please, again, don't just watch this video without liking. That's a way to encourage and support me. So please like, please share, and once again, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Guys, I appreciate you for always watching my videos. God bless you. And also have a blessed weekend. If I need to come and give any explanation, I will. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I love you. God bless you.